Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious hot chocolate shake at home using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cold milk, about 2 tablespoons of your favorite hot chocolate mix, 2 generous scoops of ice cream, and some whipped cream for topping. Make sure you also have a blender, measuring cups, and your serving glasses ready to go. This quick recipe is perfect for a sweet treat anytime. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's get blending. Pour 1 cup of cold milk into your blender. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of your chosen hot chocolate mix. Then, carefully scoop in 2 large scoops of either vanilla or chocolate ice cream. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 30 to 45 seconds, or until the mixture is perfectly smooth and wonderfully creamy. You want no ice chunks left. Want to make your hot chocolate shake even more special? There are so many ways to customize it. Before blending, try adding a dash of cinnamon or even a tiny pinch of chili powder for a unique kick. For an extra rich chocolate flavor, drizzle in 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. You could also toss in a few mini marshmallows or a spoonful of peanut butter for a different twist. Get creative and make it your own. Your delicious hot chocolate shake is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the thick, creamy mixture into a tall, chilled glass. For the ultimate presentation and taste, generously top your shake with a swirl of whipped cream. You can also add a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, or even a cherry on top. Serve it immediately and savor every cold, delightful sip. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.